Good day. You are welcome to Nya Eke Fashion. So today I'll be teaching you how to take reading from the tape rule. So let's get started. Now we're making use of this very tape rule that is available here, and as you can see, it has reading from the front, and also there's another graduation on the back side. Okay, then you can see very well that these lines are closer to each other than this other side. This is because this one, the graduation is in inches. It's in inches. You can see this is 60. 60 is written here. I hope you can see it. Okay, this is 60 I end. That is 60 inches. Then this back side, it is graduated. The graduation is in centimeters. Okay, you can see somewhere here 150 centimeter. But because most tailors, especially for those of us in Nigeria here, we make use of inches. So because of that, this video will be restricted to only the inches graduation. Okay, so like you can see, as it is indicated here, this is 60 inches. That means the whole of this tape stops at 60 inches. Let's go to the end, the extreme end. Okay, as you can see, this is 60. This is the end. Okay, and now this is 60 inches. There are other longer tapes that run as long as 120 inches, but this one stops at 60 inches. So let's go back to the beginning again. Now, from here now, from the tip, that's the edge of this metal, from the edge here. Okay, before then, you can, on this graduation, there are so many lines. Okay, some are longer than others. For instance, this one is this very line here. Let me zoom it a little so you can have a clearer view of what I'm showing you. This line here, this very one, is longer than this. Okay, then this one too. This one is longer than this, but it's short. This one is shorter than this other one. So there are so many lines, as you can see. But notwithstanding, the thing is, now from here, or let me start from the edge here, from this very point to this long line here is 1 inch. From this edge to this very long line here is 1 inch. From this long line here to we move to another long line here is another 1 inch. From here to here is an inch. From here to here is another inch. So if you are summing it up, if you're adding it up from here to this very point is 2 inches. That is why you can see 2 is indicated before the line, before the long line. So from here to here is 1 inch plus this from here to here, which is another 1 inch. If you add it up, is 2 inches. I hope you are understanding. Now, here, I said from here to this very line is 1 inch. Now, if you look from this very line, regardless of the line you are starting with, if you're starting from, let's say, this very line here, the next line to it, the distance from here to this very, to the next line to it is called 8 and 8. So let's say we are starting from this very line here. From this line to this one is 1/8. The same thing all through the readings. It's 1/8 each. 1/8. So now let's use this as our reference point from 1 to 2. Okay, from here to this place, I said it's an inch. Now, if this from here to here is 1 inch, if you divide it into 2, this is the longer line that separates, that divides it into 2. Now, this line here, from here now to this very point is half an inch. Okay, you position the tape very well so you can see it. Okay, so from this very line here to this center, the middle here, is half an inch, and from here to this very point is another half an inch. Remember, I said from here, from this line to this line is 1/8. Now from this line to this line is 1/8. From here now to this very point is what we can say is 2/8, but we call it quarter. From here to here is 1/8. From here to here is another 1/8. Then the 2 now is 2/8, but we call it quarter. That is from this very line, you count 1, 2 is quarter. Quarter. From here, you move here 1, 2 is called what? Quarter. Then if you move from here, you move 1, 2, 3. It is called 3/8. Now if you come to this place, it's now half. You say half an inch. From here to here is 1/8, quarter, 3/8, half. That is half of an inch. So now from here to this very point is called what? 5/8. That is, you see, this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. This is 5/8. But remember, I said this 2/8, we don't call it 2/8. It is often called quarter. So from here to this place is 1/8. To this place is quarter. To this place is 3/8. To this place is half. To this place is 5/8. Then from here to this place is what? 3/4. 3/4. From here, if you run to this very point, is what? 3/4. Then from here to this place is what? 7/8. That is, from here to here is 1/8, quarter, 3/4, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. Then this complete 1 inch. Let me run through it again. Let me try to zoom it. Okay, I hope you can see this. From here to this point is 1/8. This point is quarter. To this point is 3/8. This point is half. To this point is 5/8. To this point is 3/4. To this point is 7/8. Then to this point is what? A complete inch, 1 inch. Now let's put what we have learned to practice. Let's say we want to measure the length of this very phone. I hope you can see it. Okay, let me position it this way so you can see it very well. So we are placing the tape right exactly at the edge of the phone. Okay, so move it this way. Okay, so as you can see, pay closer attention, you notice that the hole, this phone is 5 inches. From here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. So this phone is 5 inches. Thank you for watching this very video. Please, if you have any question, come to the comment section and ask your question. Or if you have any correction that you feel you can make or any suggestion, you can put that down on the comment section. And also don't forget to like this very video, and please help us subscribe to this very channel. Thank you once again for watching. See you some other time.